Hello guys, Victor Isibor here. How are you doing? I got a lot of questions from people asking, Victor, how can I make money on WhatsApp? And in this video, that is what we're going to be talking about, how to make money on WhatsApp. Very quickly, without further ado, we're going to jump into how to make money on WhatsApp. Now, you're looking at the screen of my phone right now, and you see I have a few applications. Now, if you want to make money via WhatsApp, here is what you need to do. First of all, you have to download this particular application if you don't have it already. Okay, it's called the WhatsApp Business. All right, now I have the application already, so I'll just open it. WhatsApp Business. You have it on Google Play Store. You can just go check it out. If you want to make money on WhatsApp, it is the application you should be using. Okay, from the chat box, just click on the top right corner, okay, and click on Business Tools. All right, Business Tools. I'm going to give you a brief analysis of the WhatsApp business before I go into how you can begin to really monetize it. Okay, now look at the Business Tools. You have the business profile, okay, the hours for which you're open, when people can feel free to send you a message and give their inquiries. Okay, your websites are also to be listed there. It's like, a whole business page that you can use. Okay, the WhatsApp on your phone is actually a very powerful marketing and business tool. Now, make sure you stick around till the end of the video, because that is when I'm going to be telling you the exact way to make real money from your WhatsApp. Now, you have catalog, where you can list and show your products and services. All right, then there is a way for you to actually create ads. Okay, you create ads that is visible across social media. You have Facebook and Instagram, where you add your WhatsApp to your Facebook and your Instagram if you have business pages on both social platforms. Now, this is the main reason I am here. Okay, greeting message, away message. Okay, now if someone sends you a message, even before you respond, the greeting message, says hello to them and gives them a very vital information, whatever information it is you want them to have. Now, a away message is when someone sends you a message and you're not available to reply for a while, that away message pops up. Okay, then this is where quick replies is where you reuse frequent messages. I mean, the greeting message, first of all, is a very powerful tool, and the away message, this too, very powerful tool. Okay, now let me tell you something. For those that are marketers, maybe you see an advertisement on social media, they say they are doing XYZ and they want you to chat them on WhatsApp. The moment you send them a message on WhatsApp, a message automatically pops up in response to that your message, introducing themselves to you, telling you about their product or services, and most importantly, asking you to save their number. Yes, they will say, save my number as Victor Isibor, then comment done. Do you know why they do that? They do that because the service or the product that brought you into their DMs, you may not patronize that business. You may not eventually patronize that service for one reason or the other. Maybe a disagreement in price, a dissatisfaction with the quality of service, whatever. You don't want to patronize them. They do not want you to go. They want to retain you, because the moment you save their numbers and they save yours, whenever they upload a WhatsApp status, you're gonna see it. Okay, so even if you're not patronizing us now, you will patronize us later. Okay, so that is the power of the WhatsApp status. Okay, here in this WhatsApp status, I can write whatever I want to write. I can even do a voice recording. I can put pictures and all that. So see, at the end card of this video, you will find a particular video that I made some time ago dedicated to how you can use your WhatsApp status very well. Okay, this is just giving you a brief overview of how powerful your WhatsApp status could be. All right, now, so how exactly do you make money from your WhatsApp? All right, so stay with me. All right. All right, so we are in the jet age now, where a lot of the traditional sayings of our people, they are becoming useless and senseless now. Remember, a lot of people used to say, you can't give what you don't have. Okay, you can't sell what you don't have. The big question for a lot of people right now is, yes, we know how to use our WhatsApp. We know how to do this. We know how to do that. What do we now sell on our WhatsApp status? I mean, it's a very intelligent question. Like, what do you sell on your WhatsApp status? It's not enough for you to know how to do it. I do not have capital to start. Okay? Most businesses require some level of capital. But in this video, you are going to learn how to start business on WhatsApp, monetizing your WhatsApp status with zero capital. Okay, now we are on a website called Stakecut.com. Okay, registration is free and the sign up process is seamless and very fast. Okay, so once you sign up, you get your verification code and you do all your verification. This is the dashboard that you have. Okay, so when you click on the top left corner menu, real quick, now you will see affiliate dashboard, marketplace. Okay, so let us click on marketplace. So all right, so you look at the marketplace right now. It opens up real quick for you. This Stakecut affiliate marketing website is unique because it is free for you to register. Anybody can register. It is very free. On this YouTube channel, I give you top-notch information about how you can make money and monetize for free. Now, when you are at the marketplace, you will see different digital and even physical products. Okay, a lot of you have heard about Amazon KDP, how a lot of people are making money from it. Now, before you can start making money from Amazon KDP, you need to learn how to do it. Okay, it's like a skill. All right, and look at this one. It says Affiliate Marketing Accelerator Program. These are digital products that are available for you to sell on your own. Okay, now look at this. It said the Niger to Canada jackpot system. A lot of people want to travel abroad and they need guide. Okay, there are consultants who charge a fee to show people step-by-step means to relocate to Canada. That's it. You see, all these digital books and products are here. Okay, let's assume that on my YouTube channel, or let's just say that, okay, I've decided that I want to be selling this Amazon KDP for smartphone. Okay, now when you scroll, you will see the details there. Okay, this digital product is sold for $33.33. Okay, and the commission attached to it is 50%. That means I get to pocket half of this if I get to sell it. All right, that's somewhere between $16 to $17 I get to make if I sell 1 unit of this Amazon KDP for smartphone. Now look at this button here. It says promote. All right, so if I tap on that promote button, we'll see what opens up really nicely. All right, now look at it. The seller's name is there. The price is there. The commission is there. Now look at this real quickly. It said copy affiliate link below. Alright, so if I tap on this copy button now, I have a unique link now copied. I have a unique link that redirects anybody who clicks on it to this Amazon KDP material, to the sales page of this Amazon KDP material. Now what I need to do, and what you need to do before you send that link, is to do probably like a video talk about Amazon KDP, or write an article or a blog post talk about why anybody should want to do Amazon KDP. You know, put some screenshots of earnings of people who are doing Amazon KDP, and tell them if you're interested in getting the Amazon KDP material, step-by-step guide that helped all these people to make this money, click the link below. And you see, this link that you copied here, you could actually take it to your WhatsApp status, write a few lines about Amazon KDP, how it has changed your life or the life of Mr. XYZ, put up a few screenshots that you could find on the internet. Doesn't necessarily have to belong to you or somebody that you know, but let it have an inscription of Amazon KDP on it. Put it on your WhatsApp status. Interested? Put the link on it. An important challenge that you may face in your affiliate marketing journey is that you see that some big social media companies, they block promotion of affiliate links. All right, that's their own way of encouraging you to do paid ads. Okay, so that's when a website like shorturl.art, there are plenty other ones, okay, but I'm just using this one as an example. That's where it will come in. They help you to shorten the link, your link. So you simply paste that your affiliate link here, and you click on shorten URL. All right, now look at your shortened URL. All right, so they have already shortened it for you here, and all you simply need to do now is copy the new URL. Okay, because as it is now, the social media company, they will not be able to recognize that this link is coming from Stakecut. But if you look at the original one you shortened, it is well written there, Stakecut. They will just block it and you cannot paste it there. All right, so you just copy this one, and this is the one you will now be promoting. So any affiliate link that you want to promote on any social media handle and you're seeing that is being blocked, simply just come to this website shorturl.art and paste it here. Without, you don't even need to sign up. Okay, just paste it there, then it shortens it, then you now take it to where you want to post it. Now this is where your salesmanship comes in. Okay, this is where your skill as a marketer or as a salesperson comes in. Okay, your WhatsApp status is a very powerful tool. Now building your WhatsApp status is very important. Okay, now I told you before, marketers always want to have your number and they want to have you save their number as well. You can start by being social. Be social. When you meet people, insist on having their number and insist on them saving your number as well. It doesn't matter how they save your number. They could even save your number as idiot. It doesn't matter. You are just trying to increase the number of people that are viewing your statuses. There are people who have built their WhatsApp status to enviable numbers, and I mean in thousands. Yeah, and such people, they have been able to record massive sales in their different businesses. Not only that, they have become influencers. You see, people pay them money for them to repost their product or service. Okay, now, so this Stakecut.com is a free affiliate marketing website, which I would like to call a tool that enables the average man out there who does not have the money to start a business to be able to actually start a business with zero capital. Sell other people's products on your WhatsApp. Share the link on your social media. And all you need to do is make sure your link is going viral from the comfort of your home. Your links are enjoying clicks everywhere, and people are interested in the products and they're buying it, and you're earning 50% of it, and you're getting paid as and when due. Okay, this is a very, very good platform for people who do not have capital to make money. And the main target for the promotion of these links that all these digital assets would give to you as a registered member, the targeted place is on your WhatsApp status, where people around you who know you. I mean, marketing has a little bit of personal touch. Like, I know this guy, I have his number, he has mine, that's why I can see his WhatsApp status. Now he's talking about something really interesting. Let me ask him, or let me check it out. Most people will just click on the link just to check it out, and when they get there, they get hooked, and before you know, they pay this money and you earn the percentage that accrues to it. Okay, so lots of digital content here. Video content workshop. Okay, you want to learn anything that has to do with video recording, editing and stuff like that, that one got you. Okay, daily e-commerce income system. Different things here, guys, different things here that a lot of people would love to learn. Okay, and they wouldn't mind paying a token to learn it, and when they do, you are going to make your commission. You see, automated Amazon KDP. All right, that's also a cost. How to raise money when there's no money. Okay, some people might be interested in that and they would go for it. Smartphone video editing creation mastery course. Look at it, it's there, it has a price on it, and a lot of people would be interested in that. Okay, so look at IELTS here. No stress band 8 IELTS. Okay, test of English as a foreign language, prerequisite to relocate to many countries. A lot of people pay top dollar to get trained for that. So that's it. Different course, copywriting, anything that you can think of, it's available here. All you need to do is click on the promote button. When you click it, like I clicked for this one, you click on the promote button, product details will come out, the owner of the product, the price of the product, your commission, and your link. It's as simple as that. This link is what will redirect anybody that clicks on it to that particular service, and they would patronize that service, and you will earn your commission all on your WhatsApp, provided you manage to build your WhatsApp viewership to enviable numbers by acting on some of the things that I said at the beginning of the video. And also make sure that you watch the video at the end card. It will tell you more about how to build your WhatsApp status viewership. I hope you found value for this video. I hope you found value from this video. If you did, give it a like so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to more and more people. Share this video within your social media community, and of course, please subscribe and let me see what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Till I see you in the next one, I remain Victor Isibor. It's bye for now.